like we are just in time for a bus tour. Hey, so here we are, hanging. Oh, I'm sorry. Allow myself to introduce myself. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
I'm Alex Suarez with my good friend Nate Navarro, and we are currently hanging out in the bunk area, where we sleep and just hang out sometimes. We got party bunks on this tour. You can actually sit up in them and not hit your head, and it's crazy, but it's very close, you know, but you just, as long as you live on the edge, you can get down easier. Let us take you to the back lounge, where, as they say, this is where all the magic happens. This is basically, you know, you can never have enough shoes on tour, so we just kind of put them all in one big thing. That's where we keep them off the floor.
You want to hear me crack my toes? Can you bring the boom close to my toes? You get that? How about that one? I know it's kind of gross feet, but for a guy, I think I have very pretty feet.
Here's our wonderful back lounge. Got a couple 32 inches hanging on the wall, flat screen.
Some Sony's.
Not me.
No big deal.
You know, we got a little stereo system back here, our little closet full of clothing, because that's what we put in there.
This is my new clothing line. What? No big deal. It's called Overnight Sensation. Right, Victoria?
Yeah.
You were an overnight sensation, weren't you?
This is probably one of the most impressive things. Here we go, the secret door, behind door number 2. We have our lovely shower. Let me get the light for that. Oh, it is on. Victoria definitely has the least in all the shower stuff. Not because she's dirty or anything, she's very clean. But we like to really take good care of ourselves. We got our after shower lotion. I said, you're clean. Why don't you relax over there?
Whatever.
I'm just saying, we have more bathroom products than you do. And it's not that you're dirty, is what I was saying.
I have 3 soaps and 2 different types of shampoos.
That I was wrong.
Fly away to space when I wear them. You have to sew it all the way up. That's kind of a nightmare. But it's really awesome.
Where's my drink tag? Jeez, I gotta make my own drink.
All right. We gotta see what's in the fridge. Everybody always wants to know.